Right now, the sentiment score for renewable energy sits at plus 0.44, which is notably above our historical baseline. This uptick is unusual, especially with the momentum holding steady at zero, indicating a pause in volatility, despite the positive outlook. You'll find 15 semantic clusters in this data, suggesting diverse conversations happening around renewable energy that are fueling this sentiment shift. With our API, you can receive real-time sentiment analysis, enabling you to identify emerging trends and opportunities in the renewable energy space. For instance, if you're developing an application to enhance investment strategies, integrating this sentiment data can help you pinpoint when to enter or exit positions based on shifts in public perception. To explore more, visit pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.